Hey, what's up, guy? I'm out here with the, just got these in. As you can see, they are the IRF 640Ns and FET. Got them in today. Already soldered them into the board. Let me get a toothbrush here. As you can see, there's one here that was snapped off. And on the reverse side, right there's one. Forgot to put fucking, what you call it, the paste on there. I forgot to put the paste on there. So I gotta take them back apart, bend them forward a little bit, and put paste on them. But meanwhile, show you what the amp does. I got power. I can hear it clicking. So it almost sounds like one of these blue things right here in this area, or something, or not. Something's not right. Listen. Hear the clicking? Here's what it does. Goes into that red, and then it starts flashing real fast. Now, I started out with 7.5 fuses, so it would blow real easy. Took the 30s out and put them over here. Blow real easy if something was to happen. I don't know. I'm lost. I hear something clicking to try to come on. Let me try it one more time here. Yeah, I think it's this. I think it's that. What is that? Yimmy Chang. Yo Chang. I have no idea what the fuck that thing is. Maybe it's a some type of switch that comes on. I have no idea. But you know what kills me is this amp seems to be so easy to work on. I mean, it didn't take nothing. It took me about an hour to rip it apart. I don't know. I think this is out of my domain to fix now. Anyways, I did get in my, these are nice connectors. They're like a platinum. It's for the Terra amp. You can put 4 gauge into a little setting. Like 4 gauges, see here. Yeah. It might fit in there. Definitely fits there. 4 gauge, yeah. You might have to sand the sides down just a hair for them to fit, but I got 20 of them. Comes blue and gray. I'm pissed off. Thought that was going to be the fix. Thought that was going to fix the situation here. But the Memphis amp is just clicking on and off, so I don't know from here. I'm going to have to send it away. That's my next step. I'll let them know what I did, and then we'll send it away. What's this? There's a 9540N, but I wouldn't need an N. I would need a P. I540N is an N FET, not a P FET. So, anyways, back to the drawing board, I guess. Put this in with my collection here. These came in today. Whole bunch of these. They are pretty sweet. Pigtails. So we can run speakers. Run speakers off of them. I think I got them for this up here. I don't know. I think I got them as backups just in case you couldn't use the plug, those kind of plugs, maybe. I don't know. But they sent me a bunch of them. Let's see. 2, there's 4, 6, holy fuck, 8 of them. Model D-Bang B, dual banana plug, gold, black, 2-pack. We got 2, 4, 6, 8 of them. I don't remember ordering them, so I have no fucking idea. I don't know, I'm bummed. I thought that was gonna fire this amp up. So now I'm back to the fucking drawing board. Don't know where to start next, unless I just buy pieces and replace them one by one. And I ain't about to do all that. Looks to me like we do got power, but there's still a problem where it won't allow it to kick on. So, I don't know. With that being said, guys, I'm going to call it tonight. I got to work tomorrow. Get this unhooked and go to bed. Alright, man. I'm going to go. Peace out.